Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a cute little car. First, let's draw the body of the car. Follow along with the video, friends. Now draw the curve for the wheels. Next, draw the bumper. Great job! Now let's draw the wheels of the car, just like this. Next, let's draw the car's headlights. Then, add other details. The front window. The hood. The side window. And the door. Now let's draw the shadow of the car like this. Add the road divider. Then, draw some bushes beside the road. Finally, add more little bushes below. Let's make the outline bolder, so the drawing looks clearer. It's time to color our car. You can use your favorite colors. Here, we use yellow for the car body. Bright yellow for the headlights. Bright red for the bumper. Brown for the wheels. Add light blue details for the windows. Then gray for the car's shadow. Dark green for the bushes. And light green to make them brighter. Finally, orange for the road divider. Yay! Our cute car drawing is finished and colorful. Thank you for drawing and coloring with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel so you won't miss the next drawing video. See you next time. Bye-bye.